Today I'm going to show you how to change apple green into red in Adobe Photoshop. First, open your Quick Selection tool from the toolbar. And select the areas you want to change the color. Select the Subtract from selection at the top. Click and drag to remove the excess selections. Now click on the group icon. Then click on the mask icon to create a mask. Let's name it Color. Click on the adjustment layer icon, then create a new channel mixer. From the drop-down, select the green. Make the green 0%. And the blue 100%. Now click on the adjustment layer, then create a new selective color. Open the color list and select the red. Decrease the cyan all the way to -20%. The magenta, +15%. The yellow, +35%. And the black, -20%. Let's go back to the adjustment layer icon, then create a new vibrance. Make the saturation -5. And the vibrance +40. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching.